Drifting is really fun for spectators and drivers both. This drift Mustang is pretty cool, but when you see mechanics looking carefully at the engine, it gives me pause. Something must be wrong, very wrong.
Swirl, God, look at all that.
Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you very much for joining me. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Remember, I have my Facebook page. Join me there anytime you like. I enjoyed driving out to Callaway Customs north of Paris, Texas. Always a plethora of vehicles to feast my eyes upon. Sometimes even a vehicle that I totally don't expect. Oh boy, he gets after me. Yeah. Now what the heck is this? Oh, the back of a 1993 Mustang drift car. Awesome. This 1993 Drift Mustang has the original 302 cubic inch engine, stock bottom end, AFR heads, probably a slight cam, has an EFI system, and idles very high for racing only, but it is a street legal car too. The owner has seriously enjoyed his hobby of drifting for over 8 years. The Mustang had been drifted at least that long on the same engine. The owner is a member of Urban Racing, a growing drift group in North Texas with events held all around the state, and I believe in neighboring states as well. When I first saw the drift car on October 3rd, 2023, it was in the Callaway shop for upgrading the rear coilovers and fixing the dash and ignition electrical systems. I recognized the Urban Racing stickers and quiet license plate. Sure enough, I didn't have the car videotaped at any Urban Racing event, but on June 17th, 2023, at the Urban Racing event at the Red Line Raceway on I-30 south of Greenville, I did videotape the owner, John Hayes. Mr. Hayes needed a very good, dependable hot rod shop for modifications and repairs to his 93 Mustang Fox body drift car. Again, he had thought there was a water leak between around the water pump or so. He certainly knew a belt, like the timing belt, was needing replacement. Scott and Jason Callaway, as well as Alex, were well prepared for the Mustang to show up again in mid-late January 2024, and they already had parts laid out and ready for it. At this time, Jason and Alex began looking for the mysterious water leak anywhere around that water pump, but nothing was dripping on the floor. And no water, oil, nothing all around the water pump or the front end of the engine. Nothing. Alex started up the engine and ran it until it got up to driving temperature. They looked all around the engine as it ran, and it ran for a short while longer as they finally shut it down. They weren't seeing anything. So they let it sit and monitored it further for any types of leaks. Nothing. They walked away thinking maybe something will drip a little later on. Nope. Later, Alex removed the engine oil filter and drained its contents for inspection. Unfortunately, he found metal flakes. Bad news. Alex told Jason Callaway, then cut the oil filter open for further confirmation of metal flakes in the oil. It was easily confirmed. Metal flakes in the oil signifies that the engine is badly damaged. While it is expected that a racing engine of any type will meet its demise at some time, it was news that the Callaways did not want to tell the customer, but of course they had to. So Mr. Hayes will be making his decision as to the next move and future of the 1993 Drift Mustang. He can take the good parts from this engine and transfer it all to a good used block. He can buy a junkyard engine and fix that up. Well, most expensively, he can just buy a new engine and, I don't know, maybe modify it, whatever. It just depends on what he might want to buy. So he's certainly out a good chunk of change no matter what he decides in order to continue using the car for drifting. I hope to return to this story in the near future. I wish Mr. Hayes all the best in his drifting endeavor. And I certainly hope that this Drift Mustang is revived. And I'm pretty sure things will work out for the best eventually. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a fantastic day. Please relax, take it easy, and I will see you later, hopefully in another Drift Mustang video. See ya. Bye.